Hello guys, how are you? Today I will discuss with all of you about a Russian sentence. I hope you are all see this sentence. Here, u меня есть друг. U меня есть друг. Here, u меня есть means I have. У меня есть mean I have. Друг. Друг singular noun. Друг singular noun. So it means friend. Druk singular noun, as if druk singular noun, so it's means friend, a friend, a friend. У меня есть друг, I have a friend. After у меня нет друга. У меня нет друга. Here у меня нет, that means I don't have. Друга, друга, friend, друга, friend. У меня нет друга, I don't have a friend. After this sentence, you are all say, у меня есть машина. У меня есть машина. Here, у меня есть means I have машина. Машина means car. Машина means car. У меня есть, I have машина, a car. У меня есть машина, that means I have a car. У меня есть машина, it means I have a car. After this sentence, у меня нет машины, I don't have a car. У меня нет, I don't have. У меня нет means I don't have. У меня нет, it's Russian sentence, and I don't have, it's English sentence. У меня нет машина, у меня нет машины, it means I don't have a car. Here, машина will be sensed machine. After this sentence, unik есть дом. Unik есть дом. It's mean they have a house. It means they have a house. Unik есть means they have. Unique means they, yes means have. Unique means they, yes means have. Unique they have. Dom means a house. Unique dom. It means they have a house. After unique нет дома. Unique means they нет means don't have. Doma means a home. Unique нет дома means they don't have a home. They don't have a home. Unique нет дома means they don't have a home. Here dom will be sensed doma. Why it will be sensed? Because after yes, noun is always nominative case, and after niet, noun is always will be genitive case. So it will be sensed dom to doma. I hope you are all understand. Paka paka, bye bye. Everybody please subscribe my channel and like, follow, comment. Paka paka, bye bye.